So in here is where we do like the group tours. We'll have the welcome home Wednesdays, the dream.
Yeah, right.
For the members. So that's what's going on in here. When we did the Grand Villa tour, this is where the carolers were, the hot top and things like that. And then you're going to see the color palettes all over. Very artistry. So everything starts with the squiggly line in artistry, and that's how you get the chandelier.
Oh, the chandelier.
Right.
The squiggly lines. Yeah.
So come on outside. We're all here now. Walt had a place out in Palm Springs. Now, when you see red, green, blue, you'll see red, green, blue. That is the color palette we use to tell this story. Okay. Over here, Jungle Book and Mulan. So, very, very Disney. There's always meaning.
Wow.
That's so cool.
That's very tall.
Out on the other side of the building now will be Princess the Frog, Lion King, Sleeping Beauty, Alice. So they'll be on the other side of the building. But so when you're back there, kind of looking at it, yeah, those are the color palettes.
Man, that's super cool.
Right?
Well, we all know that everything has a theme.
Everything has
Everything.
a meaning.
There's always meaning behind.
There's meaning behind everything.
Disney does. So true story. Come on out.
Thank you.
DVC members, you're gonna have access both ways. So you can go to both pools. So check in here for the Palm Breeze bar. You'll check in over here for your wristbands for the pool. Your live music at night. Over here.
I know, this is cool.
It's a great food too. So come out over here. You're gonna have your pool. You're gonna have your spa back there. Depot Willie Splash area right here. And then those are the garden studios. There's gonna be 4 duos and 4 deluxe. Back here, I was going to show it just in case. So if you have a deluxe studio or a duo, you're going to use your laundry facility back here. So you'll get one wash, one dry loaded on your car, and you can just come back here and you'll tap in. So
Smells like laundry.
smells like laundry, yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
So come on out. So it's 24 hours.
Nice.
You want to come in?
Yeah, I'm not gonna really take part of this one.
Nope, got it. So we're gonna have we stock it. Well, it's not stocked right now, but your kind bars over here, your cooling towels, your tonals on the wall there, and then you have your.
You would love this, Jim.
Your new
Yeah. Tonals.
I do like this one. Peloton bikes.
Peloton bikes!
We have changing rooms and restrooms back there.
And a bottle filler.
Yeah. I know, I like that.
Yeah, bottle fillers. Yeah. So.
It's the little things that count.
Yeah. 24 hours is nice if you want to get enough steps in at
Exactly.
Disney. I'm not necessarily doing it, but yeah, maybe you might. I don't know.
I get enough steps.
I'm pretty good on all the stuff we got already. So 4.
That means Kaya can come.
This is the Sleeping Beauty thing.
Sleeping Beauty thing, deluxe studio.
Godmothers in the mirrors.
I love that.
Wow, this is really pretty.
Hello. Girls, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So you're gonna have your convertible couch there.
I love that they got these instead of like the flat couches. Like,
It's reserved for everyone.
yeah, I know.
Not just the guests, but housekeeping as well.
And the ones that animal even longer.
Hey, me.
Yeah. So, very, very Blairish on the backsplash. You have Princess Aurora's tiara. Yeah, exactly. So, and then the decor continues. The closets, that'll be
There's like get ready spots.
Prince Charming cloak and boots in there. So all the closets are different.
All right.
I like
Tables
that.
on both sides. Yes.
I like that too. Yeah, that's important. Tables on both sides.
And then your headboard lights will turn on and off for you when you obviously
Love it. Wow.
turn down.
Cool.
But yeah, the Prince Charming cloak and boots in there. Princess, when I show you Princess Frog, it'll have her dresses.
Oh,
so
cool.
those are different. All of those.
So it's a his and
I love
hers.
the big windows too.
Yeah, they'll be different.
Yeah. Oh, and you got like real flatware. I mean, real
Yes.
in the
so
studios.
glass, yeah.
Because everywhere else you just get paper.
You have your microwave, mini fridge, sink, Keurig, your dishes, and then your toasters up here.
Nice.
This is safe.
Yeah.
Ironing board, yes. I come here to do laundry and iron.
Right? Hey,
Right.
there you go.
Like the the villas with the full kitchen. Like,
Yeah.
Oh, I love those.
Sometimes I guess
it's nice to have a big fridge.
if
but
you're staying like I guess for a
I guess a
week
couple.
and
Yeah.
you went and ordered pizza and you're like, hey, let's just at least have somewhere to put it. Yeah. So there you go. Okay, so now we'll go up now. Thank you, sir. Love your shirt. Oh, thank you. Right there. As far as the theme goes. So let me see. Come on in. So you'll have
Whoa.
your greens now. Yeah. You have your We'll let her. So, Princess and the Frogs, you're gonna have your greens in here now. So, convertible couch, like we said before. So this will come down this way. Where you just don't have to limit it.
Nice.
So in here you have obviously Tiana, baby Tiana. She's sitting on her menu.
Aww.
There's her tiara. Her parents are in there. There's Evangeline up there, and then she's dreaming of her pots and ladles. That's
Love
what's
it.
going on there.
Oh, okay, I see it.
Ah, cool.
So that's what's
Love it.
happening. And then over here, you'll have your. That's where she has her dresses when she changes from cows to dukes.
There
So
you go.
now-
Oh, how cute is that?
What else? Let me check this.
Oh, listen, oh, I like this one.
So I'll show you this as well. I just show it. So here you're gonna have big Tiana. So what's happening here? She's and then in here.
I like the bubbles. Yeah.
So this is your one bedroom. You want to see the balcony and whatnot.
These lights are groovy.
Yeah, those are cool.
Do you know what those are?
No.
Did you guys see the movie?
Yes.
Okay, so if you turn these down, they'll flicker. And it's supposed to be Ray, and he's sitting on a lily pad.
Oh,
That's amazing.
Ray on a lily pad. Love it.
So there you go.
I love this.
Oh, they're great.
I know.
Yeah, because some people bring more than others.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Oh, look at the swans.
Even the ceiling light in there.
Yeah, the depth.
Double showers.
That's toilet.
Oh, that's a
there,
toilet.
And then that's shower because in the other bathroom you have the toilet and shower as well.
So don't be
it's
fooled.
not-
This is not double showers.
Yeah.
It's not double showers. I'm an idiot. So
And your floor to ceiling windows.
Shower.
You got your full fridge, stove, all your glassware, dishwasher, sink. This will be different than the other ones. So this will be Lewis and Ray with Evangeline. See in there. Yeah.
That's a nice big couch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this will be Ray inside of the Ray. Okay.
hi, Ray.
See him in
He
there.
goes, Shadow Man done lay poor Ray low.
So, and then come on out to the balcony here. Let's show you a couple things out here.
You can wave at the people like you're the queen.
Yeah, right.
Hello,
So
I'm the
down
queen.
there you have your little pixie dust. There's little metallics in there. So those lights will shine down behind you and it will glitter. So you can,
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Now the other side of that orange right there is where Tinker Bell comes out. So she'll come out about every 15 minutes and then she'll kind of pixie dust and go away.
Wow.
So,
That's
but it's good. You see Guardians, Disney River Run, Chris Galaxy's Edge. You can see fireworks at night. beautiful at night when the pool's lit and then the tiki lights are going off and then the roller.
Yeah.